Okay. These are new, or no, these are not the new signals. You can't really see them, but they're there. No, they don't stay on all the time. They only turn on when there's a train on the line. Just like the BNSF line. I'm gonna record down there too. There's no train coming, not yet. So I can't catch these in action. But you can pretty much see that outline and everything. Let me go over here so you can see it more. I'll come back tomorrow to get a clearer shot. But yeah. Wait, what's that down there? Is that a train coming? Oh, please let it be an Amtrak coming. Oh, they're having a party. Where is the train? Or is that just my imagination that there's no train coming? And I gotta use the bathroom. There, you can see the signal now. I gotta get home. So I'll see you later.